So here's another nice feature of this area is, especially during the wintertime, you get all the migration of the birds coming through the area. They will sit and take a break right on the riverbank. You'll find them throughout the day sitting out there. But it's really neat seeing all these, all the migration going on, and it's just pretty cool. The wildlife is nice out here. You'll see a lot of deer, the geese and ducks. You'll see a lot of Canadian geese, and then you'll see some snows. But these guys usually will land right on the riverbank out here, and it's kind of fun to watch them. They'll sit upriver a little bit, and they'll come down floating, and they'll get up and fly upriver again and float back down. It's kind of neat to watch. But if you come out here during some times of the day, they typically like to sit up there in that general area. So, just some other activities to see the wildlife.